Watch the first punch. Now, watch the second. The first one is explosive. Then, suddenly, the second punch slows down. Most fighters blame cardio. They run more, they train harder. But that's not the real problem. Your muscles are running out of their fastest energy source. And there's something else slowing you down. Tension. You're not punching slower because you're weak. You're fighting against your own body. And I'll show you exactly why.
You've probably been told your punching speed just fades when you get tired. That's not actually what's happening. Your very first punch is always your fastest. Every fighter knows this. But almost nobody knows why your second punch slows down. Most fighters blame it on stamina. They think, I just need to get in better shape. So they run more miles. They skip more rope. And their punches still slow down after the first one. Because the problem was never your cardio. Your first punch runs on stored fuel, called phosphocreatine. It sits inside your muscle, ready for one explosive burst. No oxygen needed, no delay. Just pure, instant power. That's why your first strike always feels the fastest. But that stored fuel drains in under 10 seconds. Your second punch has to pull energy from a slower system. And slower energy means a slower punch. There's a second reason, and it's not about fuel at all. After you throw a punch, your muscles don't fully relax. Your shoulder stays tight, your fist stays clenched. You're fighting your own arm before you even throw again. Tension is the brake pedal on your next strike. Fix number 1, relax completely between every strike. Not loose form, total muscle relaxation. Then snap tight on impact. Sharp exhale on contact. Full release right after. This alone can make your second punch feel like your first. Fix number 2, train your fuel tank, not just your cardio. Do short, explosive combos, then rest fully before the next set. 5 seconds of max effort. 1 full minute of rest. This trains your body to recharge that fast fuel system faster. Do this consistently, and your second punch stops losing power. Short, maximal effort. Full recovery, repeat. Fix number 3. Reset your hips, not just your fist. Your first punch was powered by your legs and hips. Your second punch needs that same rebound off the ground. Stop punching with your arm. Start punching with your base. Your second punch isn't slow because you're weak. It's slow because you never relaxed and never reset your base. Fix your relaxation. Fix your fuel system. Fix your base. Do this, and your second punch hits just as hard as your first.
How did you like the video? Share with others. Subscribe for more. Support the channel. Keep learning.